Hi there, welcome back to the Social Television Network. I'm Chris Carraggio, joined today by Craig Rosenstein, a criminal defense attorney focusing on DUI with Rosenstein Law Group. Craig, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
All right, you got it. Okay, let me lay this out for you. Someone makes a mistake in their life, gets criminally charged and convicted, and now that's following them around their entire life. It's affecting everything, housing, employment, you name it. How often do you see that?
Regularly. Arizona doesn't have criminal expungement in the traditional sense. We do have something called a set-aside, though.
Okay.
And the set-aside allows people to go back to court and petition the judge to dismiss the charges.
And expungement is what?
An expungement is the ability to go to court and get the charges
completely wiped out?
Correct. So the analogy I like to use is if every conviction is a page in a book, an expungement would rip that page out.
Okay.
A set-aside basically takes a big black marker and crosses it off.
Okay, and that's what Arizona has?
Correct.
Okay, so how often do you see the set-aside?
A lot, yeah.
You do that a lot?
Correct.
And this, are we talking about a major crime? Are we talking about a misdemeanor?
Well, technically, set-asides are available for everything except a few pretty harsh crimes.
Okay.
We want people that have made mistakes in their life, that have maybe an indiscretion in college, to be able to go back to the court. Now they're in their 30s or 40s and they're having trouble getting work or having trouble getting housing. Mm-hmm. We want them to be able to go back to the court and kind of put the past in the past and go forward with their future. And we afford that. If someone has a conviction that's a dangerous offense or a crime against children, then those are not set-asideable.
Mm-hmm. Is this an involved day in court, if you will?
The petition has to be made and heard before a judge. Mm-hmm. We basically have to explain why our clients are deserving of a judicial dismissal. But more importantly, what it allows to happen is once it's granted, the person can then have a dismiss charge on their record as opposed to a conviction.
Okay, and again, you do this sort of thing all the time,
yeah,
right?
Regularly.
Folks, if you or someone you know is in this type of situation, there's a phone number right there on your screen or a link that you can click. Craig, thank you so much. We appreciate it. And folks, we'll see you next time here on the Social Television Network.